Joshua Generation Ministries presents Nationwide Healing Rain Revival Crusades.
Every infirmity in your body, every pain in your body,
Pastor Courage IG.
by the word of the Lord, that affliction will not rise the second time. In the name of Jesus Christ.
Pastor Courage is dedicated to taking the message of our healing Jesus to the nations. Your city is about to experience a dramatic shift. The power of God is present to heal all manner of sicknesses and disease. Get ready. Your breakthrough is here.
The fire of revival is here. The fire of revival is here. The fire of revival is here.
Watch out, Jesus.
Fire.
Somebody give God some praise. You shall be a blessing to the nation. You shall be a blessing to your generation. In the name of Jesus, the enemy shall not touch you. In Jesus' name.
Healing rain. Healing rain.
I command every sickness in your body. Touch the people of God now.
Partner with Joshua Generation Ministries today and help us to keep this healing rain going to the nations. Your financial support is greatly appreciated. Also contact us if you want this fresh revival to be unleashed in your city. Remember, the healing power of God is falling fresh in your life now.